Hey, Stas, just wanted to share out some tips and tricks you can use on a spreadsheet. I have one. I have a Google form that I call my Easy Grader. It's got my different assignments in it, and then I can put in the points for the assignment in the order that they are on the assignment, which you can see on here over this way. Can't move. There we go. Over this way, this is the order they are on the assignment, which is not the order that they go into the grade book. It defaults to alpha order. So to get them in alpha, first thing that I do, go ahead, click here, equals, I want AP16. That means it's going to be this row. Boom, Y2, enter. It'll actually then, you can copy that all the way down. It'll copy this Y column all the way down over here. Did that all the way across, matching the letter, the standards up here to the standards as they are over here. Assignment, obviously, unit summative. It drops my names into different rows because of the periods that they're in. I'll show you how to fix that in just a minute. How are those grades coming up? Why is it colored? So you go ahead and click up here, and your conditional formatting, you go ahead and tell it what colors you want for the different grade amounts. I use a 5-point grading scale. A lot of you have seen the omelet scale that Ms. Wellner kind of came up with, the actual details on it. And I just added some omelet pictures to it. So the key here, though, if you're using greater than or equal to, you have to make sure that you put them in the order from greatest to least to actually make it work correctly. So this was a 6 possible points question. A 6 comes out green. That's an 8-point in my grade book, the way that works. When you want to move the names, you have to actually, because it auto-populated, copy. So I'm going to Control-C, copy, Control-V, paste. And the same for this class here, Control-C, Control-V. Now I can go ahead and take these rows between the names and the grades, right-click, hide those columns. You can also do that from the top, but the right-click I find is easier. And then we have them in letter order, alpha order for going in the grade book. The other thing that we want is to go ahead and put them in alphabetical order by last names. So let me actually go back one step. Take these names here, and we're going to go data, split text to columns, detect that there is a space, splits them out, go back to hiding this. We don't want to delete, we don't want to clear, just go ahead and hide them because I want to be able to use this form going forward. Then I can sort range. I want to sort by column. B is my class period, and then D is last names, and then if it was applicable, it's not with my fake students, but if it's applicable, C for first names. And that's going to move the scores around with the kids. So now I have them in alphabetical order. It makes it easy to drop it into my grade book. Got Xander coming up first, and then when I get down to 7th hour, if I want to separate them, I can put a little line in there, just like this. We got a nice thick line. There we go. We can see my 7th hour. Cordelia is giving me the first name, dropping in there. Cara has the last name coming in there. That is what I've got for you on this one. Have a really great day. Be nice to everybody. Love you. Hopefully that helps. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything for the good of the cause, as always, feel free to reach out.